watching news, niggas know we be dropping shit. Got the feds on my ass in the hood, cause they think I'm the one who been bearing the blocks and shit. I'm just focused on music, they say my last tape was a classic, but I got some hotter shit. I be rocking the show, or if I'm not up in the studio, I'm fucking his cash off. Don't you know Polo G, skinny tall with the dread, till a nigga be rapping his ass off. Yeah, I heard you got surgery, still wanna